Hello. Discovery 2. This gets shorter every time I do it because I keep doing it over and over again. We put a new airbag on, as you've seen in the other video. On the other side, that side stayed up overnight. This side's gone down. This side is the one with the old airbag on. Luckily, the one we bought by mistake, we think is the right one for this side, so we're going to put that on this side. It sits there, it just goes down on one side overnight. So here's the new old airbag. This is threaded, and the one on that side is threaded as well, so hopefully this is the right one. So we're going to show you how to fit this, we're going to see if it fits, and we're going to get the suspension up. So please watch and see what happens. It might not work, it might explode in somebody's face. Let's see how long it films for, because it normally turns off. So you can see the bag there is deflated. You can squeeze it and nothing comes out, but obviously when it's under high pressure, when there's loads of PSI in there, it'll just leak out if there's any problem. So I mean, normally you'd pump that up, you'd spray it with some foamy water, and it'd bubble where the problems was. But we've got this bag, so I'm just going to put the bag on. We haven't got the right clips, so what we've done is we've put some of these stop clips, what are them called?
R-clips.
R-clips. Not like R. Kelly, but not like like that. And because they was too sort of fat and they wouldn't quite go in there, ground them down to fit correctly in that groove and then keep it in place. So first thing to do is take these two clips out, 1 and 2. Yours will probably be the flat style clips are under, you might have to tap them out. Take them 2 out, and then we'll twist the bag off at the bottom. Go. I need a screwdriver to get that one off. I hate touching it, I've got the camera. So I'm just inside there, you can see the clip. Just pop that one out. And then what we've got to do is twist. Actually, the next thing to do is undo the hose. Yeah, we'll pull the bag down. There's enough hose on this one either there.
Yeah.
So you can pull this bag down here. And then you get...
What size is that?
About a 10mm. You can get a little spanner on there if you can see that. And we'll undo that out of there. Move to the 10mm. Obviously make sure there's no air in your suspension. To be honest, even when the suspension is up, you can undo this and just let it go, and it'll just let the airbags down. Obviously you want to support the car before you're there, and so it don't come down and crush your arms. We're just hoping that this is the same thread and the same fitting as the bag we've got. Should be.
You'd need to hold that pipe as well when you're undoing the nut, because you don't need to turn around. And
this is like an olive on it, eh? It's like an olive type, a little crush olive on there.
If you'd have hold that pipe, the pipe turns around and you could snap it off.
Yeah. We're hoping that it's the bag that's the problem, not the piping itself. But we're going to find out. Where is the new bag? It's down here. So, that is threaded inside there. Let's put it like that. So now you have to turn the bag at the bottom there and then pull it up and out. Obviously you can't really see. We couldn't get this out before, could we?
No. Am I in the right position?
Yeah, because your two top things have turned and they was round there, so you're about where you want to be. Yeah, it's pretty stuck. We're probably going to have to get that off with some pry bars over. Yeah. One under there. You might need 2. I'll do one from this side, you do one from the other side. Set your back up in here. Get a couple of pry bars on this. This is a Land Rover one, so this could be the original one. You do that side, I'll do this side.
Exactly the right place with this. Where's the other airbag, Chris?
Yeah.
I'm wondering if you could pull that out.
Hang on, look, you can see it from the inside. There.
That's what I was looking
That
at.
little window. So this,
Yeah.
the little window that's down here, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little, show it on this one, Dad. There, that little sort of groove there is in line with that. So
we haven't.
that should be in the right place. It's just been in there a long time, because I'd say that's the original bag looking at it.
Yeah. So it is in the right place.
Yeah. Try that one. I can't quite do it with that short one.
Come on.
I mean, the one on the other side was snapped off, so we never even took that off. It already snapped off.
Moving.
It like moves one way, but when you did it the other side, it moved the other way.
Yeah, it's coming.
Coming on. There we go. So we'll pull that out. You can see what the bottom of it's like.
Rusted in, hasn't it?
So that has to turn, and you got that shape there. So you drop it in and turn it. So that has to, when it's turned, it has to go with these two holes here and here. So we've got this other airbag. It looks like the same fitting, doesn't it? Yeah. It looks like a bigger hole, you know.
That's pretty rusty around there, look.
Yeah, just at the bottom. And look at this here. You can start to see the got cords coming through the bag. So odds on it is leaking when it's under massive pressure. Because a lot of the time you can't see the actual leak through they actually split, but them like they sort of perish.
Well, that's right.
Yeah, it's the same. See, you've got like an O-ring in it, yeah? I wonder if that has to come out. Uncle. So what we're going to do is pop that little O-ring out, and like I say, there is an O-ring already on the end of the other one, so that should hopefully be okay. What I'm going to do is just wire brush this here, just so it fits, so we know we've got a good clean surface and it'll fit well. I'll just give that a clean up, and then we can put the bag in and twist it into the bottom so it's in the right place. Pop this hose down through there, put it into the top of the bag, and then mount the bag in there. So the first thing to do is chuck that bag on there and twist it. Think we should have a bit of lubrication?
Don't know, let's see what it is.
It's going to be difficult because the bag is actually inside itself, ain't there? You know what I mean?
You can't
You've got nothing to hold.
Yeah. Yeah, you need that. Could do with the bag pulling out, couldn't we?
Yeah. That's what it mounts you to there. Don't know if you can pull it out.
It's all grippy.
What if I bash some compressed air in it? Probably blow it out if we do that. Let's just go and get the pump. So we just use the pump there, put it on the end of the valve where it'd go in, and we just pushed a little bit of air in there and it's popped the bottom out, so now you can grab that to get it onto the bottom of the on the mount.
Exactly where we are now with it.
Yeah, so that little mark is where you need to be
There.
before you twist it. Torch is a bit big.
I've got the other torch in my pocket, do you want it? I'm getting it on, is it? I bet when it goes, pushes the thing down, it'll pop that in there, won't it?
You need to twist it then.
Oh.
have a go. Just try and push this bag in. See if I can push it out. You don't look it's catching anywhere. We'll spray a bit of stuff on it, see if we can get it to get down easier.
I'm gonna take some of this thick rust off, Chris.
I think it'd go on there quite easy now.
Yeah.
Which one's the new one?
This one. Make sure you twist it like that to get.
Let's go get that one.
I'll give you a twist the other way anyway. She'll go with that face in that way.
Struggling with that.
Let's have a...
Right, it's on. Bit of twisting, bit of cleaning of that little little thing that it goes to, and then it's on. So now we've got to put the little valve back in.
I don't know what that's about.
Little 10mm.
Is this one got the rubber O-ring in it?
It's the O-ring's stuck on the thing, yeah, so I'm alright. 10mm there. Once that's tightened up, we'll just push it into them little holders there and put these all clips back on there. Where's the torch? I'll show you.
Shine the torch, shine the light.
Yeah, quite in line. I don't think it's very far enough.
Oh. one.
Both of them out.
Oh, there it is.
And then we'll push these clips on. Can be quite difficult. Oh, that one's gone on easy.
Oh, I think that's
I'm going to have to hold that one up a bit, you know.
Yeah, I think coming
I
through.
think the bag get all the way far enough round. At the bottom, I think you need to twist the bag around a bit because it's like... Fucking hell, what are we?
No. That's it on.
There we go. So the two clips are on, pipes in up there. It's on at the bottom. So now all we've got to do is lower it down and then inflate the bags and see what happens. I'll put the wheel on before you inflate the bags. There we go, we just started the car and you can see that it's raising now. It is going up. So that's good news, it is lifting when you start the car. All we need to know now is when we turn it off and come back maybe tomorrow or in a couple of hours, is it still up or has it gone down? If it's gone down, it's elsewhere, there's a problem. If it's still up, the problem is solved. And we can move on to something else. Next, I think we're going to do the headline, aren't we? Yeah, is it going to stop at the right height is the question. Everybody run away. That's stopped. I don't think it was quite clipped on. But yeah, it's stopped there. So that looks about right. The car's level. So we're happy with that. So that's how to replace your airbag. Sorry. And next time we will do the headliner. So please like and subscribe and come back and see us again.